colorful. A gorilla. Oh, look at Tariq's favorite peacocks. Yay! He loves peacocks.
I love peacocks. That's Puma, guys. We gotta find some more.
Look at that, Tariq. All the feathers. Yes. You can't feel it. You can only look at it. A pig. A pig. Layla, no. Look at the longhorns on the stairs.
Oh, we're going there now. Let's go in here.
Good morning. So I am here about to announce the giveaway for this awesome curriculum. Here are my comments. Thank you to all that support me, continue to support me. Without you, this would not be possible. Alright, so here's my answer. Peacock. Congratulations, Betterson family. May you be blessed this homeschool year and forward with this awesome curriculum. I will continue to share how I'm using it. There are lots of components that I didn't even share in the video, but I'll be putting together things in the coming videos to show you what all I'm doing with it. Thank you again to Miss Annette. Amazing. I cannot rave enough about the curriculum. She was excited to see how I am using the curriculum myself. If you have not watched the video, please go back and watch. Go visit her store. Visit her eBay store. The curriculum is just, like I said, phenomenal. She has put together pre-printed packages for those of you that don't have printers. And you can purchase that way, and she'll ship those right out to you, already printed, the activities and things like that. And I could not, even in an hour, I know it was an hour, but I could not even share lots of it. There was just too much to share, so you'll have to continue to watch videos just to see, you know, what all is included. But like I said, if you take a look at her store, you'll get a great idea. So, alright, Betterson family, please message me here on YouTube or on Instagram. You have 24 hours to get me your contact information so that I may get this curriculum shipped to you ASAP. And I will see you all tomorrow.